كله متشة سانت بما متبه كله متشة كشرة يقنا وتبه وتنفوانا نشة شة مترم يمفه وهو يمفه كمارك با وتصا وسمامي ما بوبا ميدون يامي ينمي بوبا ميدون يامي
يا بوني كي بفاو
akwa bi da boni ki fa ne hin hu mai ebe he me hin ohun
ene wo prawo
ade ne hihye me na asese ye me we na ene me sorry ya ase ya agbo me yare mpo edwene wa na ase na enema wo wiase
o so ye be wu nti o ma wo sen na meskani munye nti na aboki no da ai
aboni ki da so hihye me
madam fi ya
na kaska na yi kakra se janka mafa na yi
wa fa kama ka cho se da bia wo hello
I'm what to say.
I like your puma.
Thank you. When I'm Tomano. Me shopping and my shopping. I'm okay there.
You will fine.
More of a power.
Thank you.
Madam was on the way. Me come on. Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
With the problem being in home, I mean, there is always a first time. Well,
yeah.
Your home, I mean, we were sighting you from a distance. And we say, keep him watching. To say, any more far than four, then we can proceed from there. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Say, be my own about street to say, be a pay one as to say, oh, the mature.
What's her name?
From Kofi. My name is Kofi, yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm Beyonce.
Beyonce. Oh, okay. Is it the one?
Nana ya na uni abrofudi.
Ah.
Say o ma me wa fa abrofudi anka ho. Me say me abrofudi the Theophilus. Very nice name. O abrofudi in the say.
Me ni abrofudi.
Ti local na ya line na.
Ai.
Ah. Na wo say I said you kasa si trust you uni ni bakura me ya say eh akota kra nya mota dem. Boy akota kra. What me chan you? Boy no. When I'm rent here with him.
Oh, couscous, like I'm saying. I mean, no harm. Why?
Oh, what can I?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You are nice, though.
Oh, thank you.
You were asking for my number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's yours.
0244 123.
I'm a life on life like a son. The way I said, Missy Woska, Missia, Mamma Shemantino. Like a ma filime. So on the metro. But me no kasa say you need to China. What do you mean? This a boy we say. Me shana busia. Ozawofi, na me show. Me shopping man no. Na how much must our bank me see anga ba bedo. Eti wale na me kasa. Dey am pe.
I will call you.
Okay.
I will test you so we can. Right.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, Beyonce.
Nanaya.
Hey, I'm a pe. Na bote na. Unu ya me need the best watch.
Hey,
Me feeling no, but oye na ho concert. So bad here. Be ma na wo kasa. Na say be ma na kasa no. Na say we you any 20. What do you mean? Oba bia na ni ate bia na. Ohwe be ma ni straight. O glasses here say we kra no. Endru 200 Ghana cedis.
na sisi na wo kasa na wo risa akwa.
Sure, ni kra kasa sa ko hwe de. Ni kra ni kasa be kasa ko hwe de. Ah, me no kasa sa ko hwe de.
Ansa woni kasa.
Ana
wa da like wa dream ya na.
Pacho.
Shani Jimmy kasa bi. From top to down na dress you.
No,
now
we dress wa damfo a ede ne se wa begira ha me na me hwe na.
Edi dey tina obi a me hwe no, Na damfo, wo damfo ni mu nyansa na watena ni we yakasa. Me a me hwe no. Damfo ni nyansa tena ni. Me no kasa sa.
Wo jampe de no no.
She be twa wasum.
Just take it easy. Why?
Oni me.
I'm sorry.
She
Beyonce.
Oni me. Ekrokro mo na so bra o. O yesa we kasa ma se me na bejimi bi se. O yesa na wona me dem ho no mo. Ni pala ya da kanya se de wo ye nye. Ada na me ne kasa na ni da baby.
Baby you so your ba nyabote.
Na yo ba na me se o pa na wo hwe wiem. Nyame na epe wo. Wo hwe wiem nyame na epe wo.
Nanaya.
Ana wo hwe duan na epe wo.
It's okay. Nyabote why?
Oh, oni bibi.
Thank you.
When you ate pa, when you ate, you are like when you ate, so we sit when you mean kasa no. Me kro am kan ba nchan kra when you ate. Me say we crossing in cross.
Me crossing is na ya crossing in wo free sumu na ba.
Sha, oni me.
Wo free sumu na minimum no wo me.
Last week ma mo ga bi wa ginya ase.
No.
Last week ma
Pacho, it's okay.
Gana beto di ho mamu no.
Eye bese.
Woni ma pe.
Obi ni wa gani Jimmy ma pen se pen se. Nya na me pe no. Obi ni obi ofre na kwa. Hwe.
The be make sure say nya but the way na okuku.
Da me oba de mi sia na me pe na oyo yo sa de ahwa bu o.
Yes say wanya abo ama abo wonkuma abo. Oba bia ni ho party ati.
O pa be family de na me ko fa de o de na se ne ho dwo.
We
say we Jimmy kura.
Onyimi the way I want kasa. Me ko me jam me hye ada dey asem.
Na me dress you.
Say wa wo no man bi di ba.
Na fizem me obi am me yen pa boni ni aka me jiji me ntare o ga ni.
Yeah. That's good. Okay. All right. Nah. No, that's fine by me. I'll be here. Yeah. Okay. That's fine. You're so sweet. That's why I love you. Is it? No, who's it? It's so magical the way all of a sudden I met you, and then it feels like I've known you for the whole time that I've been around, like Oh no, I understand. The way you hold me, like you play with my chest and all that. It's just sweet.
Asa let's na ho yi na medwendro mtimo. Odo kasa bet na asa no. Aha me.
Oh yeah, he's right here with me, like
Let's na yi na medwendro ho mtimo. Asa odo kasa ha me.
No, he's fine. He's okay. She say hi. I'll say hi.
Beyonce be.
Any Beyonce.
Masa me ni Beyonce bi am there. I'm my brother on it. O ma asem na wo so no. Nipa dwene da ache be dia brabo bi si a said ma asem sa na be ha ma de.
Babe, let me call you back, okay? I'll call you back in 10 minutes. All right? I love you. I love you. I said I love you. How many times would you want me to say I love you?
As a member person out no to make us no so tea. Okay, Ben.
Oh, nothing are we?
I did a me say. Now all the members person say me join lectures no kasa.
Oh. Do you go crying me no na.
Unja wo yin babonini.
Me my head.
Yeah, we in babonini. We can this is the third time I'm no na ma. Isha ma to a. O de ye me de ni.
Bro, listen.
Na sana dan fona.
And yes,
so we Jimmy kura na. Ohunya sasa be catch wa dan fona. Won so come me say na dan fona for me. Da bia won kwa na do no ba da ye. O say minim kasa. Asara minim kasa ba. Bibie ba no a de ba no nte.
Mami kasa true.
But I'm pardon for the bia on kwa na pese o gina ni o.
I have said this over and over again. I'm repeating it today. Listen, so when you buy yes I dey na on me and dia girl be any wo be do with you. Sabe but let me cry that boy nten cry no. You intimate treating this ah.
Now who is ka?
I don't know your problem no. E ma nye wo sika no onye o.
O ba fia o cha light builder, o cha water builder.
Ene be che say. Enti say
o nya sasa mimi ntimi enka ne yekura na. O ntimi nka mi fa meto paso mame.
Now you how many times am kasa on?
Masa jawasem.
Yes, say o kasa nye.
Ah,
you kasa.
Jawasem. Amfom kasa nko no ha.
Why? Obi are kasa me. Ah, what they chill. Me Beyonce be.
Me no nante ye. Da bia na nko na mapel.
Anya me can say the way I kasa no. Bisa who say what is the problem? Change your
attitude.
problem
na Mosca na say Mosca. Na say bisa bi nipa na Jimmy America tin pa cross wa Jimmy. Hey, so your bent na your ba na Jimmy chira America say wa Jimmy andi. Aye dan.
Wutimi bi wa no ka che oba say wa Jimmy.
Na wa Jimmy America.
It's wrong. Oba en kasa nche sa. Oni me kasa.
Oh, kasa jawasem.
Ah me do betima me jai masem ba oba de.
Asa kan wanu tumu na wa antobro life na wo so no. On toye na o say sim no.
Makacho say me dey be kasa. But you also have to know say so one change your attitude there. Me dey kasa for
attitude ben. Attitude ben.
Oni
Oba him na ba be hwe no. Attitude ben.
because I'm true.
Never mind, no.
Girl, you tell me sure Beyonce. Whoever told say because more do. Obi o ha o do. Oba we now cash. We now akoko.
Now high cash.
Last
time I'm a buy me man.
Kafra. So what you win so? O kasa do. Kasa gbagba so say dey enko. Eno nne. Me be kasa ba dey me special what you say. Oba. Won ne kasa na o
I'm a buy my man 2000.
2000 here.
Mama, 2000 Ghana. Esa ketwa. Ola ujimi na wonim sese, uyi skirt say hwim mi tienti no.
Say me ni bi
ana akrokro mo.
When I'm say wo a wo bi na ye dey. Onu oba tia na say wo tia na obekọ. O ka chi oba say wo jimi wo ye kwasiafo asem ko obekọ. Ye nye ne sa. Ah. Nko ya ka asem chewa. Ana no me try kwa say me ni ayi sa ge oba ko bi ya. O te ayi askwa we. De o ka che me say o say ohun so be madam. Ah. Me ka che no the way I get on kasa kwa o say wadam fo ntu me fo. Me so dey be am too fo. Oba de o na do. Good. But we go do no. And I don't know is not solution to all problems. Also when you tell them kasa oh mama oh like the way on
minya botre na no my bare na mam didi o matam.
Dem bi na no oba on na one converse na be na yi.
Yeah, babe. I think I was saying come on.
Yes.
What is it about?
First of all, I want to say thank you. And thank you once again. I mean, you've been a nice person since the day we met. Everything about you has been good for me. And as a gentleman, I feel like I need to thank you, and I can't even thank you enough. What do I say? You don't care about me not really being financially stable. You believe in my dream. You believe I'm gonna make it. I mean, it's very difficult to come by such kind of person these days. So thank you. And then again, that your friend, what's her name? Nanaya. You know my friend is still having interest in her. Yeah. And he's been bothering me, can be mommy, do this, do that. I mean, I was so surprised there. Oh, I think somebody sent you a text.
Oh, no problem.
I was so surprised there. He put out that attitude that day. He's a very nice person though.
Oh, no, come on. And can't you so a nice person? Or be a nice person, the first appearance, bet you so a nice person.
You see?
Everything shows so or you mean.
Okay.
Oh.
We are from different backgrounds, and where you are being raised is also part of how your future holds like. What do I say? He's nice. I mean, nice as in nice. I mean, me a bema, but he's been nice to me. He's giving me money. Hanging around in his room. He doesn't have any complaints. When he buys stuff, he buys shoes, clothes. I mean, like, not to talk about some of our girlfriend, but communication is the problem.
So you know, what are you doing to help him? Because so no boy was Sanya Mani Nana or Lake Sanya Mana, it was so now one. Look at the way you talk. So you have to talk to him because then Madame Fono we jam on penny din crazy on life.
I know, but it's very unfortunate. Say yet again, he has exposed me. All the work I've been doing. See, I sat him down and I told him this fact. Said, this is what we are living in. We have two people in our environs. The yes man and the no man. The yes man is that somebody who has been telling you stuff you want to hear. And the no man, that's somebody who will tell you stuff you need to know. But people are scared to tell you. Unfortunately, we are all being surrounded by yes men. But none of us is having a no man. And I've surrendered myself to be his no man. But that day I told him, said, what you did was wrong. That was your first appearance. For Christ's sake, you can't talk to a woman like that. And he'd be like, oh, bad dear, who did your woman or before so, you know that. Hey, baby, you're free. I mean, we'll be in the training. What do I say? If you be Mukwasia, doesn't mean that they attempt. If you be Musu, even look at somebody like this, it means that they attempt. So it's a training. And then probably, those who raise him up, they did their best. But people are slow learners. Some, they don't even catch it up at all. What do I say? I'm sorry, but I mean, Kabimano, she's your friend. And I'll make sure, say, he will fix it. All the mess that he created, no, I'm gonna make sure he fix it.
Okay.
But taking care of her, being like, I mean, that one, but as a language, you know, the personal relation, you know, where the problem of why,
Okay. I'll
Yeah.
talk to my girl, so you two talk to your boy.
I will. I mean,
Because me kasa madam for no otie.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
So we never madam for because I thought so second time and that's the third time.
I know they are saying.